So good morning, everyone. My name is Maureen O'Rourke. I'm Dean of the Law School at Boston University, and I'm happy to welcome you to this year's Pike Health Law Conference. This conference series is held to honor N. Neil Pike, a 1937 graduate of Boston University School of Law. He was a distinguished lawyer and also a lifelong advocate for individuals with disabilities. Co-sponsored by Boston University Schools of Law and Public Health, the conference is designed to explore the relationship between the medical field and the discipline of law with a particular focus on disabilities. The Pike Conference is now in its 7th year, and we've delved into a number of subjects over that time period, including the future of health laws, a small topic, the legal status of the Nuremberg Code, the legacy of the Terry Schiavo case, and autism. This year's conference will explore the post-Gulf War experience of veterans seeking medical help and the problems that they have encountered. Gulf War illness has been debated and researched for almost 2 decades, since the end of the 1990-1991 Gulf War, and there is general agreement on some things, including that at least a fourth of the 700,000 veterans of that war suffer from this illness. No effective treatments have been identified, and this is certainly an issue that demands our attention. Today, our distinguished faculty and guest speakers will explore the post-Gulf War experience of veterans seeking medical help, the problems they have encountered, and we have a goal of suggesting some concrete advocacy steps that can be taken to improve the quality of care. And we intentionally keep the conference small to allow for interchange with the distinguished speakers and between each other. So we're delighted that you could make it here today, and I'm sure that you'll benefit from the discussion. The Schools of Law and Public Health at Boston University have a long tradition of exploring the intricate relationship between law and medicine together, and we have often been pioneers in the field. Our collaborative approach has been both productive and rewarding, and I hope that today's event will be just another illustration of that. So I hope you enjoy your time with us today at Boston University, and I'm delighted to turn over the podium to Robert Meenan, who is the Dean of the School of Public Health.
Thank you, Maureen. It's like a decanal tag team here. It's a pleasure for me to welcome you as well to the conference. The School of Public Health is very pleased to be a partner with the School of Law in the Health Law program, and it has long been a distinguishing feature of the Boston University School of Public Health that it has such an outstanding health law department, which about 5 years ago, I think we appropriately renamed the Department of Health Law, Bioethics, and Human Rights. So George and his colleagues have really done a remarkable job of looking at the issues of health law as they relate to public health, and this conference is a wonderful opportunity to continue that tradition. I'm particularly pleased with the topic for today for a couple of additional reasons. Boston University School of Public Health has an extremely strong link to the Department of Veterans Affairs. We are the only school in the country that has 2 health services research centers of excellence from the VA. One is focused on health services research, economics, outcomes, et cetera, and is based at the Bedford VA hospital. The other is focused on leadership and management research and is based at the Jamaica Plain VA hospital. So our school, but particularly our Department of Health Policy and Management, is very closely tied to the VA. So in a sense, that brings me here for 2 departments. One is health law and the other is health policy and medicine. And the other reason I'm happy to be here is we are now linked to a 3rd department in the school, which is environmental health. The featured speaker today is Roberta White, who's the chairman of our Department of Environmental Health, who, as you'll learn, has played a major role in the research advisory committee that took a look into Gulf War illness and published their findings within the past year. So on a variety of fronts, our partnership with the law school and the health law program, our connection with the VA through our Health Policy and Management Department, and the key role that Bobby White has played in looking at Gulf War illness. It's a real pleasure for me to be here today and to help look at this topic of caring for veterans. Thank you.